guys. As I told you before, we are doing how to make thousands of dollars in each trade with a small account. Today, lesson 6, we are speaking about risk. The problem of almost all beginners is risk. They don't understand this kind of risk. Okay? When we say risk, it's almost stop loss, but it is not only stop loss. I will explain in this video how to limit this risk and how to get better results in dealing with your trades. Now we try to take the example that I have given you before. Let's say you have $5,000. You try to divide it into 3 positions. Let's say you buy 3 positions. Now this will lower your risk, as we have seen before. Now, before you do the trade, you should calculate your risk. It means this is what we call stop loss. People who are trading without using stop loss, always at the end of the year, they will have problems and they lose almost all their money. Now, I will give you an example. Let's say you buy a stock at $1. You buy 1,000 shares. It's $1,000. Let's say this is what you have. You have $1,000. You find a good stock. You buy it, 1,000 shares. The stock is $1. Let's say you don't put stop loss. You see that stock day by day, the stock is going down, and you are paralyzed. What does it mean, paralyzed? You are handicapped. You can't do nothing. Why? Because you did not plan that the stock will go down. You always hope that the stock will go up, and you think that that trading is just a matter of luck. Here you are totally wrong. Here what you are doing gambling. Gambling, what does it mean? It means you risk everything for the luck and the hope or the chance to get better results. And this is what the people do in gambling. You buy a lottery ticket. It means people who do this, they believe in this thing. This is the problem. When you believe, it's over for you. Okay? Because you are doing gambling and you gamble with all your money and you are losing your money. Each time you do a few trades, sometimes you make little money, yes, if you don't put stop loss. Yes, you can. But the risk that you are doing is 100% risk. And this is really a problem. Okay? This is really a problem that you are doing. So we continue with our example. You buy a stock today, $1 price. You buy 1,000 shares. The next day, it goes 10%. Okay? Today, let's say you buy yesterday, $1. Today is 90 cents. You lose 10%. Now, 10%, what is it from 1,000? It is $100. But since you have the idea that the stocks go down and go up, you stay more and more. Now, you tell me right now that there are a lot of people who trade, they don't put stop loss. And you tell me, for example, no, we will exit if there is we see a loss, we exit. No. Excuse me, you will never exit until you get the pain. And this is what I am teaching you, is not to reach that pain. Now, when you reach that pain is when you see the stock from $1 it goes to 90 cents and then it goes to 50 cents. So you lost 50%, which is $500 from 1,000. And then you get scared, and then you go to your account, you open your account, you find $500 lost. What you do? You exit the trade. Because you get the pain that you lost too much money. And then you begin renting online. You say that Wall Street take your money, and there are some manipulators in the market, and the broker is against me, and maybe President Trump is against me and he take my money because he told the stock market to take my money. Or there are some people who are watching me and they take my money. You begin renting online, or you've been thinking that there is someone who is after you. I understand this is a childish thinking. No one will take your money. If you let them, they will take all your money. That's why we use a stop loss. We use a stop loss. You say, man, if the stock goes from $1, let's say from $1, it goes to 90 cents, man, I exit this trade. There is no chance I make money. Okay? So this is just an idea or suggestion that I will tell you, and this is what works in the market. Anyone, maybe you go online and you try to learn about either to use a stop loss or not use stop loss, and there are people, they tell you, no, don't use stop loss. This is false because market makers are after you, or the market, it goes down to your stop loss, you exit, and then the stock goes up. Okay, this is a childish ideas. Some people, when they tell you don't use stop loss, what do they mean? They mean to make it easy as you think. Okay, they make it easy for you because you don't want to take responsibility of your trade, and this is a real problem for beginners. Responsibility, what does it mean? It means to be responsible for your money in the market. If someone is taking your money, you should stop. That's why we say stop loss. You just stop giving money to people, exit the trade, find another trade, it goes up, you make money. So why you stay with the loser, and this loser takes all your money from your account or from your trade? And this is how most of the, when they say 95% of beginners lose their money, it's just because they don't know what to do. And they follow other people who tell them, don't do put stop loss, don't just put all your money in one stock, I will tell you what stock to buy. Like in forums, chat rooms, or even in TV, you will find some people, they ask you, buy this, don't buy this, don't buy this. Okay? It's better to learn by yourself what you want to do in order to be responsible for what you are doing. Don't follow anyone. Okay? Yes, I'm saying that if you get a training, you understand why you buy a stock, how to follow it, you understand everything. So this is the good thing you want to do. Okay? But other people will ask you in a newsletter, or if you are using newsletter or subscription or anything else, and they ask you, for example, just go buy this, without giving you any explanation. This is not teaching. This is what we call stock picks, and it doesn't work. It is so dangerous. Okay? Because there are a lot of manipulators, a lot of scammers, a lot of things. So the best thing is to know your risk in each trade. This is a business. Not you buy a stock and you leave it. This is not a good way, and a good way to make money. Okay? So thank you very much. Please go to the next video.